Be nice if I had somebody out there to launch this for me, but it looks like it's going to be me. Okay. We'll get it going, give it a pretty good toss. I'm going to sit down. Let me check my, okay.
Time remaining 4 minutes.
All right. Well, that wasn't good.
High rates.
Now, if I just got too slow, the wind got me there. Right, I'm going to high rates now. All right.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
I mean, they go up on my rates on my ailerons.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Let me try this one more time. I'm on high rates now. I got my heart going. Check CG one more time.
Mid rates. High rates.
Make sure my controls are going right. Yeah, it looks like they're right. All right, let's try this again. All right, back to the drawing board. Things like it's pulling. Well, this ain't going too good so far.